Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to integration class. Today we'll discuss some special type of integration which is based on the last class form. Okay, so it looks like a very different questions. So you could see here x square plus 1 dx divided by x to the power 4 plus 1. In the previous class, few problems which we did where we divided numerator and denominator by cos square x. Am I right? If you remember. So now here, so you should not excite by looking to the question, keenly observe, so you could, something will strike in your mind. So what I do is, I will just divide numerator and denominator by x square. What happens, you see, so numerator become 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by denominator become x square plus 1 by x square. Am I right? Now denominator I'll change such that whole square format. What I do is, this is equal to what I can write is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. X's get cancelled, left out is 2. Am I right? Otherwise it will be same, x square plus 1 by x square. So extra 2 is there. So what I do is, I'll consider this is minus, okay. Here minus 2 is extra, so I'll add plus 2. Things become very easy, simple. Now this part, first part I can write as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2, or x minus 1 by x whole square plus root 2 whole square. Now I'll substitute t as x minus 1 by x, dt equal to what happens, x plus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by x square dx. This is what we required in the numerator. Am I right? That is the reason here I am getting plus sign this. So I did this as minus format, okay, a minus b whole square format. This is the reason why I put minus sign. If I take this is minus, then I am getting plus. If I put here plus, I am getting here negative. But my requirement is 1 plus 1 by x square. That is you supposed to think. You can put even plus here and here minus, but that is not my requirement. So my requirement should fulfill. As per that, you have to manipulate. Am I right? So this is very important in integration. You have to manipulate. You should good at manipulation. Okay. Now everything you substitute here. So what we'll get is, this is dt divided by, or one step you write 1 plus 1 by x square dx. This will be x minus 1 by x whole square plus root 2 whole square. Okay, now very simple, it is dt divided by t square plus root 2 whole square. It looks like a dx divided by a square plus x square. So I directly apply 1 by a tan inverse of t by a by, sorry, x by a, that is root 2, or 1 by root 2 tan inverse of t is x minus 1 by x by root 2. You can stop it here, or you can still simplify and you can write the final answers that left for you. Important thing is, when you see this, this will should strike in your mind, and this part is very important, key point, substitutions and continuing as per the previous problems. Very important thing is, you're supposed to remember all the things, formulas and methods which we studied till now. Most important things. So you might feel like you are spending too much time on integration. Okay, it is going on going, it never ends. But I will tell you what your time you spent here. Okay, this is most important. Rest of the chapters are based on this. So I am telling you, an application of integration or differential equations, all chapters based on this. If you good at here, and rest of the chapters will be easy. Even definite integration will be easy for you. So please concentrate. Next problem we'll see. Integration of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus x to the power 4 plus 16 dx. It is similar like the previous problems, but the small changes, only numbers are changed. So we'll see this kind of problem also. So again divide numerator and denominator by x square. So integration becomes 1 plus 4 by x square dx divided by x square plus 16 by x square. Now take the denominator and try to put it in full square format. What you can write is x square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 4x square. Again you see in the numerator plus is there, better you take this is minus, then add 2. So so b I'll take this is 2a into b. B is supposed to be 8. Okay, 8 2s are. So this is 16 by x square. Okay, so 4 by x square. So it is 16 by x square. So this would be 4. Am I right? Now it is proper. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8 is there, so plus 8. Now it x square get cancelled, this will be 8. So equation become only x plus 16 by x square. Am I right? So hope you understood this part. This part I can write as x plus 4 by x minus whole square plus 8. Substitute as t as x minus 4 by x square. So dt equal to 1 plus 4 by x square dx. Now things become easy. So it will be, so what I can write as 1 plus 4 by x square dx divided by x minus 4 by x whole square plus 8. So this will become, the 8 you can write as root 8 whole square. Okay, so things will become easy. So this is dt, this part is t square plus root 8 whole square. Directly I'll apply the formula because I know this form. Dx by x a square plus x square, 1 by root 8 into tan inverse of t by root 8, 1 by root 8 into tan inverse of t is x minus 4 by x by root 8 plus c. Hope you got the trick, this part as well as this part, and manipulating this part as per the requirement of numerator, because when you substitute I am getting 1 plus 4 by x square. So this is how you should follow, very small things, but remembering these things not so simple until unless you practice yourself for many minimum times, at least 5 times you're supposed to practice. We'll see the next one. Integration of x square minus 1 dx divided by x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. See, this is one interesting problem. Again method is same, divide numerator and denominator by x square. What we'll get, this is 1 minus 1 by x square dx. This will be x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square. Again I'll rewrite in the standard method, 1 plus 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Now you substitute. So convert this denominator 1 by x square plus 1. What you can write? So first part I can write as x square minus 2 into x 1 by x plus 1 by x square plus 2. Am I right? And this as it is. I subtracted minus 2 and added 2. So first part I can write as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3, or this we could write as 1 minus 1 by x whole square plus root 3 whole square. Substitute t as x minus 1 by x. Rest of the thing is same. dt equal to, see here my requirement 1 minus 1 by x square. So this is 1 minus 1 by x square. Integration is plus 1 by x square. But here my requirement is 1 minus 1 by x square. What I supposed to do? So I'll add plus I'll do, and here minus I'll do. Am I right? Now you see the change. So this is plus, minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Am I right? This is minus 1. This is plus, substituted. Obviously I am getting this is minus 1 by x square. See how the change happens. This is the best example how to manipulate this. Okay. So now see, I got what I want in the numerator. So simply I could write integration of dt divided by this. I could write as, one more step, 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Denominator I can write as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1. This is equal to dt divided by t square minus 1 square. A square minus, sorry, x square minus a square. I know the integration, that is 1 by 2 into 1a log of t minus 1 divided by t plus 1, or 1 by 2 log of t is x plus 1 by x. 1 by x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 by x plus. So this is what you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to do. I think you are understood manipulation here. So this is most important, how do you manipulate as per the requirement in the numerator. So last problem is integration of dx divided by x to the power 4 plus 1. Very interesting problem. Okay, so how we can write this? I am supposed to manipulate the numerator very systematically, so that I can write x plus 1 minus x square minus 1. So when you open bracket, x square get cancelled. This is 1, this is plus 1. Okay, so 2, numerator become 2. Okay, so but here 1 dx. So what I supposed to do? Divide by 2 into x to the power 4 plus 1. Hope you understood. So I change the numerator as per my requirement. Now you see it looks like a minus b by c. A by c minus b by c I can write. So that means x square, I'll take 1 by 2 outside, constant, okay, plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 1. See, these both integration we know in the previous problems. So what you do, you're supposed to divide numerator and denominator by x square, am I right? So what directly I can write few of the steps I can skip and I can write, you observe. So what you supposed to for both, divide numerator and denominator by x square. So this become 1 by 2. So integration of 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square dx. Am I right? So this become what? If you substitute, how do you write this? X square plus 1 by x, you are supposed to write plus 1 by x square. I supposed to write x minus 1 by x whole square minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so that I'll get plus sign here. So this here I got minus sign, so it will be plus. Am I right? That's all a change. So rest everything will be same, no change. If I put minus, then say here minus, then it should be plus. If it is minus plus, then it should be minus. So this is how you're supposed to manipulate. Then the things will be very simple and very easy. No need to do again and again. So I can directly write. So now substitute to this as t square plus 2 root 2 whole square. So similarly this part, this is for this part, so x square plus 1 by x square I can write as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So t equals, so t square minus root whole square. Substituted this as t. Okay, so I get minus sign. So this is the changes. So very good example. So I can directly write the answer for this 1 by 2. So this is looks like a square, sorry, x square plus a square. So I'll use 1 by a, that is root 2 tan inverse of t by root 2 plus here I am supposed to apply log formula, that is 1 by 2 into root 2 log of modulus of t minus root 2 divided by t plus root 2 modulus plus c. Simply we could do 1 by 2 into root 2 tan inverse of t is what here, x minus 1 by x by root 2 minus again 2 2s are 4, that is 4 root 2 log of t is here x plus 1 by x minus root 2 x plus 1 by x plus root modulus plus c, final answer. So you should be understand now what you supposed to do, and you should remember with this few of the interlinks. Okay, so you should familiar, because if you spend time here again and again, no point. In competitive exams, you're supposed to know the idea of how exactly you're supposed to. So keep it remember and utilize directly, and you can get the answer directly. It will be easy. So we'll see such kind of problem in the future classes. But here, very important thing is you're supposed to remember. So remembering these problems, it is not a joke. You're supposed to put your effort. I mean to say, so I am doing around 5 problems in each class. This is the reason, so that you can practice only 5 problems per day, 2-3 times. Okay, so otherwise I could do 1 hour class and I can put it in the YouTube. So this is not a big job, but my intention is if I do so much problem at one stretch, you will totally confuse. Okay, so my job is convey my knowledge to you. I mean to transferring my knowledge to you and make you sure that you should perform You should practice and perform well, not just dumping all problems, all method to your mind. So even we need to supposed to do so many things, but still I am very patient. I am taking my own time so that I am allowing enough time to you to practice. So utilize the opportunity, do yourself, practice, and the rest of the chapter will go very fast. You don't worry, okay? But what we are studying, you should be 100% true and 100% perfect. The rest of the chapter will be based on this chapter, so things will be very fast and very easy for you. Hope you understand.